Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's March 10, 2023. We're going to talk about Palantir today because there's a couple of videos on YouTube being created telling everyone that Palantir won a $99 million contract and how that is going to be a very positive catalyst for the stock and how prices are going to go higher. Well, let's go ahead and take a look at the article real quick. This is from Seeking Alpha. It was about, 2 days ago, March the 8th. 2023, Palantir Technology rises as it gets $99 million contract from the State Department. Now, automatically, you would think that that's going to be a positive thing for the long term. I mean, $99 million contract? Oh, man, that's going to really shoot up the price in Palantir, correct? Maybe not. Take a look at the article. One thing I wanted to point out is that look down here at this third bullet, right? The deal adds to Palantir's existing work it has done with the State Department, having first worked with the agency in 2017 to support HIV/AIDS analysis for the President's Emergency Plan for AIDS Relief. So they already had a contract in place. This just adds to it. So it's not new. It's not something that the business has not already thought about, planned for. They have already done work for the State Department. So even though it's an accumulation of funds for the contract, it's something that has already been on the books. Now, many people grab this information as if it's some type of catalyst, when in fact it's nothing new. It's just an additional $99 million with the State Department, right? Now, it goes on to tell you in the article that Palantir rose 1% in pre-market trading on Wednesday, just 1%. Because the insiders see this as already priced in. But people on YouTube would tell you that, oh, this is phenomenal. This is brand new. Palantir is actually getting new work. This is going to shoot the stock price up to astronomical price levels now. We're going to see the market in Palantir run back up to $26. Pump your horses. The market only rose 1% off this information. And that was in pre-market. Now that was on March the 8th, right? So for me, I pay attention to the charts. I don't look at articles to try to garner whether or not the stock is going to go up or down. I look at the reaction to the information to get that. And you guys can see from March the 8th, check this out. So from March the 8th, right? Here it is. This is where the article from Seeking Alpha came out. Talked about Palantir and their $99 million contract. Look at what happened to the price. The market, even on that day, ended down almost 2%, 1.81%. So if this was such of a catalyst for Palantir, why did not the stock go higher above $8.60? See, I've already created this price prediction in Palantir since February the 10th. And I did an update for this prediction on March the 7th. So it's been 3 days. And we are still seeing confirmation that my price prediction is still on point. Look at that. Even on March the 8th, the market in Palantir could not trade above our resistance area for a second time. It tried it here on March the 3rd, and then it tried it again on March the 8th, and both times price got rejected. It is creating this price level, $8.60, as a big area of resistance. So I'm still on point. I'm still standing by my price prediction that Palantir is still weak. Nothing has changed. Even though they got this new contract with the State Department, the market is not thinking that it is bullish. Because if it was, price, if anything, would have traded above $8.60. And it didn't even do it that time. So what I'm going to do is simply extend the price prediction. See, that's one of the hardest things about looking at the markets, is that if we knew a timing aspect of where price is going to go, I would not even be on YouTube. I would not even tell people how you're able to do this, because this would be even powerful to understand when a stock is going to move up or down. Like I said, this price prediction has been here since February the 10th. Here it is, March the 10th, a whole month. and price hasn't even gone down into our price target area, but I'm still seeing from the price action that the greater probability is still to see Palantir go down. Let's see this on the weekly chart. Okay, so we have 8 hours and 52 minutes left on this weekly chart in Palantir. If the market in Palantir ends down here at the low of this weekly price bar, my analysis still stands. I'm still going to look for price in Palantir to dip. Take a look at this on the 2 weeks. So the last 6 weeks, the market in Palantir has gotten walloped with more selling. Now, the demand has came through to support price in Palantir just momentarily. But in the next 8 hours and 52 minutes, if the price, like I said on the weekly chart, closed down here on the low of the bar, be prepared for the weakness to continue. Now, I've been pushing and saying that the market in Palantir is weak, and it is from looking at the chart and the price action, but it may not be that weak because the market here in Palantir is still trending higher. That's why I have that trend line at the bottom. That's why the trend line is there. So I don't want to be oblivious and not think that price in Palantir is still trending, because it is. That's why my price prediction only comes down to like $6.75. Now, I would recommend on the conclusion of this video that you guys go back and check out my Palantir video, which was produced on the 23rd. Oh, I'm sorry, the 10th of February. Go back and check out that video. It's in my Palantir playlist, the latest one, or the second to the latest. Check it out, and you guys will see my targets in terms of us looking for the market in Palantir to go down. Let's keep it simple. Don't rely on information that you get from mainstream media, even on social media, because that information is now old. In order to have an edge in the market, it is our premise that you have to forecast, that you have to predict where prices are going to go, right? So this is our prediction here. Now, you may believe it, you may not, which is your prerogative. But guess what? In the end, one of us is going to be right. So go ahead and let me know what you guys think about Palantir. Are we going to continue to see weakness? Do you think price is going to lift from this information of them winning another contract with the State Department? What do you think? You guys can see my bias as to where I suspect price is going to move, where the greater probable cause and movement is going to occur. Now, I just want to know what you guys think. Let me know. Subscribe to the channel while you're at it as well, because you're not going to get the real in the stock market anywhere else. Everyone else is wanting to pump you up with the value of Palantir, of how valuable it's going to be to the world, and yet and still price is trading at $7.64 pre-market. Let me know. Make sure you maintain the profitability, and as always, trade different.